Pod's busted.
You think?
That's right, I'm talking to you. We toys are pretty disgusted with the damage and the pain you put us through. Who you calling busted? 'Cause now we're calling the shots. We do not like the encrushed Sid. Tied in knots. There'll be no more pain, no more ripping apart. There's a change of coming in your hard little heart. We will take good care of all your toys, no doubt. 'Cause if you don't sit with yourself, we'll find out. So play nice.
Mama.
Gonna be great. Think what we will create. Now the table's turned and you will learn not to terrorize your toys.
Instead, we hope that you are prepared to be take a dose of the medicine that you have been giving everyone. Now let's have some fun and make a lot of.
We did it! We really did it! Oh, nice work, guys. Great job. Hey, coming out of the sandbox, that was a stroke of genius. Woo!